Ever pondered the profound impact your roof design might have on energy efficiency? It's not typically the first thing that springs to mind when thinking about saving on heating and cooling costs, is it? But let's dive into it. Welcome, everyone, to a fascinating journey that will take us from the peaks of gabled roofs to the flat expanses of, well, flat roofs and everywhere in between. First up, we have the gabled roof, the classic triangular design that's as American as apple pie. Gabled roofs are not just aesthetically pleasing, they're also pretty handy when it comes to promoting energy efficiency. Their steep slope allows for excellent water runoff and snow removal. But they also offer the opportunity for good ventilation and more attic space. This can be beneficial for insulation, which ultimately can lead to lower heating and cooling costs. Next, we have hip roofs. These roofs slope on all four sides and meet at a top ridge. Because of this design, they offer excellent resistance to wind, which can help keep your home cool during those hot, blustery summer days. However, they don't offer as much attic space for insulation as gabled roofs, which could potentially lead to higher heating costs in colder climates. Then there's the flat roof. Now, you might be thinking, flat roof? That sounds boring. But hold your horses, because flat roofs have quite a few tricks up their sleeves. They're great for arid, hot climates because they offer less surface area for the sun to beat down on, meaning your home stays cooler. But in areas with heavy rainfall or snow, a flat roof might not be your best bet due to poor drainage. Finally, we have the green roof. This is a roof covered in plants and vegetation. It's like having your own little garden in the sky. Green roofs act as an extra layer of insulation, keeping your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. Plus, they're fantastic for the environment. It's a win-win situation. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of how different roof designs can impact energy efficiency and heating or cooling costs. It's certainly a lot to take in, but remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about the intricacies of your home, the better equipped you'll be to make decisions that benefit both your wallet and the environment. If you found this content enlightening, show some love by hitting that like button. Share it with your friends, family, and that neighbor who's always boasting about his low energy bills. And don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. It's been a pleasure guiding you through this journey, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and stay energy efficient.